tell us what is going down today.
Man, I heard this guy Sal makes the magic happen inside of a toaster oven. So I want to find out if he can handle my ultimate double bacon cheeseburger inside of a toaster oven. Now, we're gonna watch the magic happen on his channel as he creates the masterpiece, but then we're gonna bring it back to my channel so I can do the super official food review and find out if you can truly get the damn. Or if you need to get the damn, get up out of here.
It's gonna be, Richard, I'll show you how we do it. It's gonna be damn. How's that for two white guys? So Daym,
Yes.
as the viewers know, you're known for reviewing food inside your car.
That's right.
So to step it up, I'm gonna cook your challenge on the outside of a car right here. And by the way, this ain't Daym's car. This is much nicer. He refuses to show it. So he asked for a double bacon cheeseburger. I'm gonna make it happen for the man, the legend, the best reviewer in town. Here it is. What I did was, went to the supermarket, got some thin sliced bacon, put it on a pan, tin foil, 5 nice slices. Now let's make some magic happen as you put it. Whoa. When you work on the hood of a car,
Disrespecting the bacon.
bacon's are gonna get away from you. You
Oh
eat a lot
my
of it.
goodness.
All right, so here's the trick. Here's what I'm doing. To me, beef goes great with butter.
Okay.
Butter, salt, and pepper. I think most of the burgers you had, you probably haven't had butter on them, I don't think. Most of the fast food joints, but there's a first time for everything. So this is what we're gonna do. Slather butter next to the bacon. So it's bacon and a good portion of butter.
Okay.
You take that, and from there, we're gonna take, can you hold that, Daym? Just like
I got you.
Okay. We're gonna take our patties, put the patties on top of the butter, like that. All right, something new. Butter, salt, and pepper is all you need when it comes to beef. As a matter of fact, when you're cooking steaks on the grill, whatever it may be, I'm telling you now, butter, salt, and pepper, and a good amount, trust me when I tell you, it's unbelievable. But here's the kicker. We're stepping up one more notch.
He's putting butter on top of the beef right now.
Right.
Now, I've always seen beef seasoned before, but I've never seen butter go on top of my beef.
Yep, and here we're cooking up one more notch. So, beef also goes great with onions. Burgers go great with onions,
Right.
grilled onions. Onions are generally sauteed or cooked in oil. We're gonna cook these onions in bacon grease. So every piece of onion is gonna have your favorite flavor on it. So we're gonna put some of the onions over the bacon, and we're gonna put some of the onions
Yes.
over the beef. So we got beef and bacon flavored onions with butter, salt, and pepper.
Oh, man.
My man, can you open up the lid?
I will do the honors.
All right, we're gonna slide it in here, close it. We're gonna do 425 degrees, and we're gonna do it for 11 minutes.
Okay.
And once we do it at 11, what we'll do is we'll come back and we'll melt the cheese on after that. So we'll be right back to melt the cheese. What do you think so far?
So far, I'm hungry. I'm hungry in its raw form right now. The raw onions, the raw beef, the butter that's on top of it, the salt and the pepper that's playing in the chord on top of this beef when it all blends together. I'm thinking to myself, it's gonna be ultra sexy, but we're gonna have to taste it a little bit later and find out.
So Daym, it's been 11 minutes, time to add the cheese.
All right.
Let's take a look. The butter is melted into the beef. The onions are grilled into the bacon. Look at that. Not too shabby, huh?
Yes, yes.
Does that look good or what? Now, time to put the cheese on.
Make it happen.
All right. I'm gonna do 1.5 pieces, make it extra cheesy. Why not? We got the butter, we got the grease.
Let's do it.
What's a few more grams of cholesterol?
Call this the killer burger right here. Let's make sure it's death defying.
I love it, Daym. Nobody knows it better than you.
Yes, sir.
So here we go. Daym's Bacon Double Cheeseburger Challenge in the works. Now we got the cheese on the burgers. The bacon is almost done. We're gonna put it in, and we're gonna go for 2 more minutes at 425. Here we go.
My patience is wearing thin. That looks all type of good. That's like, I'm ready to devour that already. But you know, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna hold off until you're complete.
Okay.
This is your masterpiece.
Daym. So we got our bacon, nice and crispy.
Yes.
We got our grilled onions over the grease.
Is that stiff enough?
That is pure death.
Now take the pan and move it around. Move those juices around a little bit. Let it get over the bacon, let it get over the burger. Again, this is very hot, so be careful. And now it's time to make the burger happen, Daym.
Let's do it.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is watch out for cars. because we're outside.
Most important.
Second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise first on the bottom because to me the mayonnaise should also soak into the beef. That's important. So when you're doing a double bacon cheeseburger, first layer mayonnaise. It's like a burger lasagna. You work it in layers. Then we take our burger, right, all in one pan. Drop that down over the mayonnaise like that. Second step, before we get to the bacon, ketchup.
Oh, he is creating the ultimate layer. The layer game is proper. Hashtag layer game proper. Damn.
Well said, Richard.
Yes, Richard, yes.
Next up, our crispy bacon on top of the ketchup with the grilled bacon grease onions. Then our second burger, and you can do it with the tongs too. Look at that grease coming off of that, and that's good grease. That's
yes.
That's happy grease.
There's good grease and bad grease.
Yeah, right.
That good grease is dying to be bad, because ultimately it's still bad.
Right. Good grease is also, the grease that gives somebody a heart attack that you can't stand. But but this is a happy good grease. Now we're gonna add some more bacon to this. Okay. Just position it nice.
It doesn't even matter how
By the
bacon
way,
lays.
a little trick with bacon, if you crisscross your bacon, Daym,
right,
you get a bite of bacon in every bite.
Yes.
What I like to do here is a combination, a little bit of a ketchup on top on burger number 2, and, whoops, that happens sometimes, a little bit of mayonnaise as well. And it ain't a burger without pickles.
Thank you. Speak on it. That zest, that love, it happens with the pickle. I don't think what you don't understand right now is the gangster lean on the burger. Like, this should have already fallen and toppled over. It held together. It held together because you know what? You've created that with passion. Passion stays together. That's love right there. If there was no love within this burger, it would have toppled over and been on the ground already. That's passion and love. I can't wait to handle that business.
I'm gonna top it now, crown it out for my man, and there it is. How's that stacked up, my man?
It looks like an ultimate double bacon cheeseburger that I'm ready to devour. So, I want to let you know that I'm looking right now at a masterpiece. I'm looking at pure perfection. I'm looking at what most men will never see a day in their lives, all from a toaster oven as you promised. But I have one question for you.
Yes, sir.
How the hell am I supposed to wash this down?
It's funny you should say that. Richard Christie, what beer goes best with Damon's and Sal's buttered bacon double cheeseburger?
Pretty much any beer goes good with a burger.
Yes.
Right.
But what I'm drinking right now is the Single Cut Beer Smith's Billy Half Stack IPA. It's really hoppy, it's delicious, it goes great with burgers, but pretty much with a burger like this, you could be drinking,
You could drink gasoline.
you could drink bath water, but
Yeah.
it's still gonna be good. But if you want it to be really, really good, then an IPA beer goes great with it.
All right, Damon, it's time for the challenge. It's time for you to do what you do best.
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready, my man.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm
you know
hoping
what?
for the best.
I'm about to go ahead and take this to my vehicle and I'm about to handle my business.
All right, my man.
And
When I
this
go to a
is-
vehicle and handle my business, it has nothing to do with food, but that's another story for another
Well,
day.
when I go and handle business, as I'm about to do in order for you to check that out, I'm gonna need for you to click on the burger. Click on the burger, click on the end card, just click to find out how the review truly goes down, and if Sal, well, just needs to stick to his day job.
Uh-oh.